You've planned your trip in Trip Wizard, and now the day has come where it is time to take that trip. I am going to show you how to get where you need to go with RV safe directions. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. Here is the trip. I built this in Safari on my iPad, but it is just a basic web browser. And you can see there's my stop. Moving it around, you can see we are headed to the Suwannee River State Park. This is just a Samsung phone plugged into my head unit. Press where to, and you're gonna see a list. But since we already built our trip, all we're going to do is just push your trips. And here is the trip, tap Live Oak. And we're sitting at Walmart, so now we're going to push stop 2. Now we are going to accept and agree that we will trust and verify that our route is correct. She says, let's go.
Now turn right and then turn right onto 70th Street.
And here is our turn by turn. But what I want to show you is you don't even need the head unit. If we were to unplug, here is the GPS. With Apple, we're going to put add a destination, find our trips, hit Live Oak, going to stop 2. And here we are. Now we're going to push go. Here are the turn by turns on Android. Here's the turn by turn on Apple. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.